Breaking news just coming in. The Khalistani terrorists who escaped from the Nabha jail in Punjab yesterday have been sent to 7 days police custody. The public prosecutor has said that Harminder Singh Mintu's links with Pakistan's ISI need to be investigated. Mintu was produced at the Patiala House Court a short while ago. Let's go straight across to India Today's Anusha Soni for more on this. Anusha, what's the latest? 7 days police custody to interrogate Harminder Singh Mintu.
That's right, Shivan. Let me just fill you in with some more details. Mintu, when he was brought to the Patiala House Court today, his beard was trimmed, and the police officials also told the court that he had in fact tried to change his entire get-up, to dodge the police attempts for him to be nabbed. He was nabbed at a railway station today. The Delhi police produced him. What is very important to note here is that a fresh case has been registered against him. A fresh FIR has been registered against him. And the special cell is probing that how he could get out of a very high security jail, and it is a big security lapse that has happened, and the Delhi police and the special cell especially is looking onto this matter. The other aspect which the police is looking into is also the fact that what are his alleged links to the ISI and other terrorist organizations which have been much talked about. On these two crucial aspects, one with the terror links with the organizations like ISI, and the other about how there was a security lap inside the jail. A fresh FIR has been registered that has been put to the Patiala House Court today, and after 7 days the special cell will respond to the court as to what its initial investigation has been so far.
Anusha, thanks very much for that update. Important update there. 7 days police custody on Harminder Singh Mintu. He had tried to make a complete change in his appearance. As you can see, we've got pictures of him with that long beard. When he escaped, he cut all of that off in an effort to disguise himself during that escape. That's how he looked before he was arrested. After he was arrested, he made a complete change in his look in an effort to get away, but he was apprehended at Delhi's Nizamuddin railway station earlier yesterday. Anusha, we'll leave it there for the moment. Well, less than 24 hours and dreaded Khalistani terrorist Harminder Singh Mintu was nabbed in that joint police operation at Delhi's Nizamuddin station. After being interrogated, several facts about the Nabha jailbreak have been unearthed. Mintu intended to leave for Nepal from Goa, and he had a ticket from Mumbai when he was caught around 3 a.m. this morning. Here's a detailed report.
It took the police less than 24 hours after the audacious jailbreak to arrest Khalistan Liberation Force terrorist Harminder Singh Mintu. In a joint operation, the Delhi and Punjab police caught the Khalistan Liberation Force terrorist at the Nizamuddin railway station. Mintu had a ticket for Mumbai. He was reportedly planning to go to Goa from Mumbai. He made it to Delhi, travelling from Patiala by car and then switching onto a bus. He trimmed his beard to avoid recognition.
शाम करीब 5:30 से 6 के बीच में जब ये गाड़ी आते देखी कि बहुत तेजी से ये गाड़ी आ रही थी, तो किसी बड़ी मुश्किल से उस गाड़ी को इंटरसेप्ट किया गया। गाड़ी को रोकते ही ये कूद के नीचे भागने लगा, तो जान जोखिम डालते हुए लोगों ने उसको ओवरपावर किया। उसके बाद फिर अपने थाने लाके पूछताछ।
Mintu was first interrogated by the Delhi Police Special Cell at Lodi Road before being moved to an undisclosed location. The arrest came hours after Parminder Singh, the mastermind of the jailbreak, was arrested in Kairana, Shamli, Western Uttar Pradesh.
इस ऑपरेशन की ड्यूरिंग हरमिंदर सिंह मिंटू को निजामुद्दीन रेलवे स्टेशन से पार्किंग एरिया से गिरफ्तार किया गया। बहुत ड्रेड टेररिस्ट है। इसका प्लान था यहां से मुंबई, दिल्ली से और मुंबई के बाद गोवा, और गोवा से एस्केप करना चाहता था इन ड्यू कोर्स ऑफ टाइम।
All leads so far in the Nabha jailbreak point to an insider hand. According to information with India Today, a gang of 10 men in police uniforms easily entered through one of the 3 gates of the jail.
So it's one of the major security, shortcomings. Moreover, if you can see, it's quite obvious the barbed wires of this jail wall are breached, they are broken. So it emboldens the criminals, the the persons who are trying to breach the jail security to come and storm the jail, and they managed to escape.
Police claim the jailbreak was carried out not to free Mintu, but some other gangsters. The Khalistan Liberation Force terrorist was included much later. The hunt continues for the others. Raids are being carried out across Delhi and Haryana to track down those who took part in the jailbreak. Bureau Report, India Today.